Hello again, LC people. Well, the frame's done, it's ready to go. A few other bits and pieces: switch gear, swing arm, back subframe, yokes, brake pedal, headlight bucket bracket, side stand, a bit of a spring there for when I refurbish a shock. So all them bits are going to go. I could add more bits to it, but to be fair, that's enough. Keep the powder coater busy. I'm going to go and visit him this afternoon, and yeah, hopefully next week it'll be back. This guy turns the stuff around pretty quick. That's why I wanted to use him, and he's very, very local. So I was planning on doing wheels, but a popular company that we all use, I understand, I've got a huge backlog, so I'm going to paint the wheels. And the people, I've told them that's what the plan is and the reasons behind it. So that's the plan. That's what's happening. And tomorrow I'll be doing a few other things. So I'll probably post again. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.